Hello everyone!
Hi!
Hi everyone!
Hi!
Today I'm up at a park and we're doing photo shoots and hanging out and playing cards.
Being best friends!
Woo! We are now venturing to... You've never seen me vlog before, have you, Chase? Don't mind me. Hi Andy.
Hello. Just walking up with a spinny thing at a park.
Yeah, that's where we're going. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun. Well, you're here. It's always fun when you're here.
Yay! I am now pushing, pulling Paige along. Ah. Hello people! I hear a bee.
Hello! No! Okay, then we go on it and like show to them like who's boss.
Amy! Hi Chase!
Hello!
Hey!
Hello!
Hi Paige!
Hello!
Andy?
Hello!
Cool.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile.
So we are now all lying on the grass playing cards.
Woo!
I see you trying to get in there, Chase.
Hello!
Hi again, Paige.
Outside and get grass.
So, me and Paige are now going on the spinny thing. Yay! Don't mind me. Hi guys.
Wait, come
Yay!
Hello.
Hi again.
Hi. Get hit.
Oh, okay.
Okay now.
Come on, Paige.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop my phone. Ah! No! I legitimately dropped my phone. Ah! This is terrifying. Ah! I'm now doing photo shoots for Paige. Cool. Yay. We are now off to... Hi Paige, I saw you move to get in the shot.
Little bit.
We are now on our way to Waitrose.
Need a drink.
Yeah.
Dying of dehydration.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't worry about those, Steve. Thank you.
So me, Amy and Paige are now sat outside school waiting for Amy's mum to pick us up, isn't that right? Yeah. I'm going out in about half an hour, but I thought because I've been dying to watch it since yesterday, I went to bed at like 1 o'clock yesterday, and I really wanted to watch the next episode of 13 Reasons Why, but then it'd make it like 2 o'clock before I went to bed, and I was like, no. So I'm going to watch, I'm not going to give any spoilers because it's really good. What episode am I on? Season 1, episode 11, I'm going to watch now. So excited. I'm going to go do that.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my...
So our granddad used to do our heights on this shed, and we're seeing how much we've grown.
And height.
So this is Luke's newest one. He recently had his done. I was last done there, but I don't know what the date is. I don't know what the date was there. This is where 2011. Have I not grown? since last time?
I have.
Wow. When was that done though? That must be quite recently though.
No, if it was recently, I'd be about there.
No, I must have had it done quite recently then.
No, because I was. Oh, that was 2014, isn't it? No, that's 2012.
That's
yeah,
just
14.
That's just 2014. I mean that would make sense. They're still worth size age 14 clothes.
You're about there, midway.
Do you have a pen so you can draw it on?
Oh, not a lot.
No, you wouldn't. 2014. How old are you? 14. You won't.
I mean, I am still wearing age 14/15 clothes.
I'm there.
Where are you the last entry?
There.
Yeah. I did that 2 weeks ago, mate.
Oh, right, where were you before that?
There.
Yeah, I was taller than you.
Yeah, that's
Not really.
2011. That was.
I was taller than you in 2011.
Wait.
How
The
tall am I?
cover was when she last had it done.
Yeah, you're as tall as how tall I was in 2014 when I was 14 years old. So this is the new car. So we are currently sat. Hi, Mum. Hi, Luke. In the new car.
It's a sensor, I think it gets louder and louder and louder as you get near
Cool.
something.
So we are now going on a drive in the new car. Why not? The sun's in my face, oh god. So I am home now and I look like a mess. But now I'm going to continue watching 13 Reasons Why because I didn't actually finish the last episode that I was watching. And I'll see you the next time I vlog. Bye!